From TST Learn in English, this is English from the News, our podcast where we explore global news stories and the English vocabulary in the headlines.
In today's program, artificial intelligence is changing the way people work.
Hello, I'm Jamshid.
And I'm Raha.
In today's program, we look at one big news story and the vocabulary in the headlines that can help you understand it.
Learning these words will help you follow international news and improve your English.
Alright, Raha, let's hear more about the story.
Artificial intelligence, often called AI, is becoming more common in workplaces around the world.
Many companies are using AI technology to help employees complete tasks faster and more efficiently.
For example, AI can analyze data, answer customer questions, and even help doctors diagnose diseases.
Some people believe AI will make work easier and increase productivity.
However, others worry that machines might replace certain jobs in the future.
Experts say that while AI may change the types of jobs people do, it will also create new opportunities.
This means that learning new skills will become even more important in the future, yeah?
Now let's look at some useful words from the headline. Our first word is artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence.
For example, artificial intelligence can analyze large amounts of information quickly. Our second word is productivity.
Productivity means the ability to produce more work in less time.
For example, new technology can improve productivity in many companies. Our third word is replace.
Replace means to take the place of something or someone.
For example, some machines have replaced manual labor in factories. Our fourth word is opportunity.
An opportunity is a chance for something good to happen.
For example, learning English can create new opportunities for your career.
Jamshid, do you think artificial intelligence will replace many jobs in the future?
That's an interesting question. I think AI will change many jobs, but it will also create new kinds of work.
Yes, people may need to learn new skills to work with technology.
Exactly. Technology often changes the way we work, but humans still play an important role.
And learning languages like English can help people find new opportunities.
Let's review today's vocabulary.
Artificial intelligence means computer systems that perform tasks requiring human intelligence.
Productivity, meaning the ability to produce more work efficiently.
Replace, meaning to take the place of something or someone.
Opportunity, a chance for something good to happen.
Try to use these words in your own sentences.
That's the end of today's episode of English from the News.
We hope you learned some useful English vocabulary from today's news story.
Join us next time for another global news story and more English learning.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.